Hi guys, how are you today? I hope it's a good day for you. I'm at the lake park again, just looking at the rain coming down. It's raining again, and we normally don't get rain this late in the year. Sometimes we can get it up into June, but this is pretty rare for us to get this much rain and for it to be this cold too. So it's kind of, I don't know, it's okay. I'm not depressed about it. I'm not worried about it. I'm not excited about it. It's just okay. Just another rainy day in a rainy winter. It still feels like winter. But we've had days up to 80, maybe up to 90, and now it's down to 60s again. So it's a rough spring. So I didn't have much to say today again. I just wanted to get on. I'm a mess. I feel like a train wreck. Yeah, it's my back is still hurting, and it's still a struggle to get through every day. I ice it and I heat it and I exercise, and I know if I would do my yoga exercises every day instead of every other day or every third day, it might get better quicker, but I forget to do them and I get busy, and pretty soon things just don't get done. Days go by and I have no idea what I've done, what I haven't done. So I'm sure if you guys have had fibromyalgia and fibro fog for a long time, those kind of days, that kind of experience, I guess, is pretty common. You just take each day as it comes and try and get through and try and get a few things done and be happy with your life. So, I don't know, I'm pretty happy with my life overall. But I put some hair dye in my hair because I was tired of being gray. You know, I was thinking I could go gray gracefully, and it's a big decision for women of our age. I think our age group. With do we go ahead and go gray and just live with ourselves getting older, and do we continue to dye our hair? But the problem with dyeing our hair, we can't really dye it the same way we've always dyed it. You know, the color that I usually use was looking more and more ashy, and the gray hairs weren't dyeing the same as the rest of the hairs. I don't know if you guys have experienced that. If you have, leave it. You know, let me know. Leave a comment, because it's confusing. You know, what dye to use, because they don't act the same in the different types of hair. I guess gray hairs are harder to dye or easier to dye. I don't know. There's something about it. I'm not a cosmetologist. I don't want to be one. I don't want to mess with that kind of stuff. I haven't worn makeup for years because it irritates me. You know, it just irritates my face. I can feel it on my face. I don't normally use lotion even because I can feel it on my face. It kind of stings for a long time after I put it on, and then I can just feel like there's a heaviness there. And then eye makeup was really irritating to my eyes, and you know, I talked before about my lips breaking out, and putting stuff on my lips will cause that too. I have to be careful what I put on my lips. So I don't know how much I should ramble on today. Kind of think that maybe this video should be a really short one, just to touch base and say hi, and wondering if there's some things that I can look up for you guys and research. I don't know if I talked last time about wanting to start working and earning some money so I don't feel so worthless all the time, and I haven't really found an outlet yet for that, or maybe it's called an inlet, because I would be letting more income into my family. So if you guys have any ideas, I'd love to hear from you. So I'll cut this short. Toodles. So I've had to move my playroom, my sewing stuff around, and so one of these days I'll give you a tour of my new setup. It's shrunk considerably from what it was. But I have some old footage of a quilt that I had started designing last winter and that never got off the ground. But I'll show you the footage so you can see kind of the design process I go through, and give me some ideas on what to do with this quilt that I started planning. So hope you enjoy it.
This load by yourself.
I will find a way. Amsterdam. After This Is Us. Tonight on NBC.
Geico famously says you could save 15% or more on your car insurance in this many minutes. What is 15 minutes? Geico, see how much you could save.
We were successful in getting to all of the clues in the first 2 rounds, and it did result in a lot more cash coming into play. Look at those scores. Somebody's going to win big today. We're dealing with 20th century world leaders, and here is your clue. He said, "Never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another." You have 30 seconds. Good luck. The speaker was referring to a system that had existed for quite some time in the southern part of Africa. You came up with Churchill, and that is incorrect. It'll cost you, yeah, it would have been a big payday for you. You lost everything over at Boston Rogers. He had 35,000. Did he come up with the correct response? He selected Nelson Mandela. He was referring to apartheid in South Africa. Did you bet big? Oh! Yeah, 34,000 gives you 69,000.